When company issue the bond, and company issue bond for 4 years here, or 3 years, right? Here the company issued bond for 3 years. So in 3 years, company promised that they are going to pay you 10% semi-annually, right? 10% they are going to pay you for 3 years. But does it guarantee that the bank rate or the market rate will stay same for 10%? Answer is no. Or maybe right now the market rate is 10%, or the bank is giving 10%, the company is also giving 10%, right? So people are indifferent whether we should save our money to the bank or whether we save our money to the company. Because you are saving your money with the bank, bank is giving you 10%. If you give money to the company, company is giving you 10%. So we call that company is issuing its bond at par. At par means according to its face value. So normally when at par, when we talk about at par, we talk about in percentage term. So 1000 divided by 1000, answer going to be 100%. So normally the prices are quoted in percentage term. So here 100, which means whatever is the face value right now is the value of the bond, right? Okay, if you don't understand this concept, so let's just make it more easy and let's just talk about the demand and supply concept. Very simple concept. So for example, bond face value is 1000. We have two scenarios, 1, 2, 3. So bond is giving you 10% interest rate, and which is called coupon. Let me just write it down, C. Coupon. And this is the market rate or bank rate. So market rate first is 10%. %, or you can say 12%. I'm very done. 12%. And then here is 7%. So if bond is giving you 10% interest rate, look at for scenario first. Market rate is 10%, and bond is also giving you 10%, right? So both are getting same. So those who are saving their money with the bank, they are getting 10%, and those who are loaning to the company, they are also getting 10%. So the bond price is going to be at par, or you can say that bond is going to be traded at, it is written as 100. It is written as 100 par. Okay, par. Now you tell me, scenario 2. Scenario 2. Market is giving you 12%, and this company is giving you 10%. So what do you think? People will incline to save their money with the bank or with this company? Guys, I need your participation. Lota, Florian, Constant, Tijodi, Ploy, Kathleen. If bank is giving you 12% and company is giving you 10%, people will be investing their money with the bank. It means demand for market rate gonna increase, and demand for company bond, or you can say the demand for bond decreases. When demand for bond decreases, what will happen? What is the law of demand? What is the equilibrium point over there? Demand decrease means there is a surplus. In case of surplus, when demand is less than the supply, prices goes down. It means bond, if somebody wants to sell its bond, for example, I first, when the interest rate was 10, I purchased the bond of the company, right? And after 1 year, the market rate interest increases to 12%, and I am getting 10%. I'm losing money. So I want to get rid of this bond and I want to invest my money with the bank to earn 12%, right? So when I go to the market and want to sell my bond, and I said, look, this is worth of 1,000 and it will be giving back, the company gonna be giving you back this $1,000 after 3 years. So what the others will say, look, we know that this bond will give 10%, and we are better off saving our money with the bank 12%. So we are ready to buy from you this bond if you are ready to lower the price. For example, the bond, and there's a formula for that one. If the bond price is 800, I am ready to buy. The bond price is 800. So what we have learned from here is that when market interest rate is higher, company coupon rate is lower, then bond value decreases, or in accounting or finance term, we say that bond is now traded at discount. So this is a case of discount, right? Now you can see where I'm going right now. What if the company is giving us 10% interest rate and bond face value is still 1,000 and coupon rate is 10%? What if after 2 years the market rate drops to 7%? Now what will happen? People will rush to the bank, take out their money and want to buy this company, because company is bound to pay 10% interest for 5 years. 5 years, for example. So company is bound to pay 10%, but in the market, interest rate drops to 7%. So there is going to be a rush on this market and everybody want to buy these bonds. So what will happen? Demand for the bond increases than the supply, because supply is going to be fixed. Company already issued 10,000 bonds. So there's going to be a shortage in the market. When shortage occurs, price go up. And if somebody comes to you, you hold that bond, and somebody comes to you, I want to buy this $1,000 bond, so I'm going to give you $1,000, and you're going to hand over me the ownership of this bond. I would say no, because I know that the market rate is 7%, and this company is giving me 10%. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to give you this bond as 1,200. If you want to buy per bond, I'm going to be selling you at 1,200. So it means It means the bond is selling above its face value, and this is called premium. And we call this bond is trading at premium. Right, guys? Kathleen, understand? Florian? Ploy?
Understand.
Coco? Dijodi?
Yes.
Ali?
Yes, got it.
Good. Nimesh? Lota? Okay. Now look at that bond. So bond prices are quoted at 100, and from 100 you can just talk about that. Okay, 100 means bond is selling at 1000, and this is called par. So what do we mean by this par? When market rate equals to bond coupon, then the bond is selling at par, right? And you see the quoted price is 101.5. It means above par. So this is the case of premium, right? What does it mean? It means that bond is trading at premium. And how much? You just say that it is, you just multiply this. This is like, you can just convert it into percentage. It is 1.015, or you can say that this is above par, it is premium. Above par, it is premium. So some books say premium is when bond is selling above par. Or some books say that if the market rate is lower than the bond's coupon rate, then bond will be traded at premium, because company is giving you higher interest, market is giving you lower interest. So that's why bond prices goes up and bonds are going to be issued at or traded at premium. Now you see here 88.375. It means bond is issuing at or bond is traded at discount, right? So we call this is the value, or if you, some books say that below par, it means discount, or some books says if the market rate is greater than the bond coupon, it means market is giving you higher interest rate, then bond price goes down. Bond are going to be traded or issued at discount, right? Now, did you notice something that I'm talking about traded or issued, right? So it doesn't mean that always you have to issue at par. So if the market is paying you right now 10%, so for the first time you are issuing bond, you also pay 10%. No, because company also have some financial analysts. So they talk about the financial analyst, the CFOs of the company. He gave task to the finance department. Okay, we are issuing bond for 5 years,